So Brent, we're headed out to Blind Bay. You've got this builder that you're working with that's got these two homes out in Blind Bay. It's what, about a half an hour outside of Salmon Arm?
Yeah, the thing I really like about Blind Bay is that majority of it's built on the hillside with gorgeous views of the lake. Everything's kind of looking down at the lake, and these specific properties, well, this specific property in Hillside that we have looks down towards Copper Island. So the nice thing about this listing on Hilltop is that it is a dead-end street. We've got a cul-de-sac down the road, probably a whole bunch of trails through here. Such a gorgeous area. I like how they plunked this beautiful little house right in the middle of an awesome community. So many amenities here, beautiful beaches, world-class sledding all around this area. Come on up and have a look at this house, Chris.
Oh, Brent, this is awesome, man. Check out that view of the lake. It's a really nice kitchen.
One of our new listings in Blind Bay here.
Yeah. What do they do here? Did we do granite or quartz?
This is a luxury quartz, an engineered quartz.
Beautiful.
We're going to be including an allowance in the appliance package, so somebody can choose their own appliances and
very nice.
Put what they like in there.
I like the contrast with the white cabinets and then with the darker island cabinets here. And then this floor is really beautiful. I quite like this.
Yeah, definitely sticking with the modern trends right now.
Soft close. Very nice.
They've done a great job. They've done the old Edison sort of light fixtures.
Yeah.
They've done a really good job on this. It's very trendy and very modern. I love it.
This is a great entertaining space.
Yeah, nice dining room over here for family get-togethers, overlooking the lake, overlooking Shuswap. It's absolutely beautiful.
Yeah,
there's Copper Island out there.
This is a really lovely view.
Yeah, that view would not grow old for me.
These mountains are just incredible. I love all the snow cap on top right now. It's really beautiful.
We could have some pretty good barbecues here, buddy.
You sure could.
So this is kind of the modern design with living room, dining room, kitchen all sort of focused together. Great for entertaining.
Yeah, they really took advantage of the view up here by putting all these big windows in, like it's almost floor to ceiling. It's so bright up here.
I'm glad they designed it this way. It utilizes the view very well. Hey Chris, come on in, check out this great master bedroom, buddy.
One of the things I like that the builder did in this house is the vinyl plank flooring throughout the whole entire main floor. Like, this is so easy to keep clean.
Yeah, very consistent. It's one of my pet peeves actually, inconsistencies in flooring.
Nice big walk-in closet here.
Yeah, great ensuite bathroom here. We've got dual sinks, great big vanity, nice flooring throughout, stand-up shower. This is a great package.
Yeah, this is really nice. I like the space in here. You got lots of room for a king-size bed. We're all wired for the television over here. Nice bright window. It's a really good space. Brent, I really like that they've got the 3 bedrooms set back off of the living room side.
Yeah, it's perfect little setup. Definitely nice to have the 3 bedrooms at the end of the hallway. You always want to buy a house with 3 bedrooms on the main floor as opposed to 2. They become a little easier to sell. Great laundry cabinet.
And it's so great that the laundry's up on the main floor.
Big, beautiful backyard. Great space for kids. You can tuck a nice little playground out there. You can hang out in the backyard and not be bothered by the neighbors too much. Nice double car garage here.
Yeah, easy access right to the bottom of your staircase.
Central vacuum canister all set up.
I like that they kept the consistency, same upstairs as downstairs.
Yeah, runs right into this fantastic little office here.
Great guest room.
Yes. Come check out this great space down here, Chris. All unfinished. Great big huge basement.
Lots of potential down here. Got a little separate side entrance there to the outside.
Yeah, there's lots of room. This could be an in-law suite quite easily. It's all roughed in for a bathroom over here. Right. There's a beautiful stripper pole right here. So Chris.
Yeah.
What do you think of this house?
This is a really great house, Brent. I think they built a really beautiful house here. It's so bright up here. Really great space.
I like it a lot. I can handle this.